In a world filled with constant interactions, having the ability to contribute interesting and engaging conversation topics is a valuable skill. Whether in social gatherings, professional settings, or casual encounters, being able to hold a captivating conversation can leave a lasting impression. Here's a guide on how to always have something interesting to say, coupled with real-world examples to illustrate these strategies. Thank you for tuning in. Your curiosity and engagement mean the world to me. The best is yet to come, so stick around until the end of this video to uncover valuable insights, entertaining moments, and a dash of inspiration. Your time is precious, and I'm committed to making every moment worth it. 1. Stay informed and curious. Staying informed about current events, industry trends, or simply having a curious mindset can provide a wealth of conversation material. Read widely, explore diverse topics, and remain open to learning. For instance, imagine discussing recent technological advancements. Example: I recently read about breakthroughs in renewable energy. Did you know that researchers have developed a new solar technology that significantly increases energy conversion efficiency? It's fascinating to think about the potential impact on sustainable energy solutions. 2. Connect personal experiences to topics. Make your stories and experiences relatable to the conversation. By connecting personal anecdotes to broader themes, you not only share interesting stories, but also create a connection with your audience. Consider discussing travel experiences. Example: speaking of cultural diversity, I remember my trip to Japan. The juxtaposition of traditional and modern aspects of Japanese culture was truly captivating. I visited both ancient temples and futuristic tech districts, offering a unique blend of history and innovation. 3. Ask thoughtful questions. Engaging conversations involve a two-way exchange. Ask thoughtful questions that invite others to share their experiences and insights. For instance, in a discussion about hobbies. Example: I've always been fascinated by how people discover their passions. What sparked your interest in photography, and how has it evolved over the years? 4. Share interesting facts. Sprinkle your conversations with intriguing facts or trivia. These can be entertaining and educational, sparking interest and prompting further discussion. Consider adding a captivating fact to a conversation about wildlife. Example: did you know that octopuses have 3 hearts and blue blood? It's incredible how nature has its own set of wonders. I recently watched a documentary about marine life, and the depth of the ocean's biodiversity is mind-boggling. 5. Cultivate a variety of interests. Having a diverse range of interests ensures that you can contribute to conversations on various topics. Whether it's art, science, sports, or literature, a breadth of interests allows you to engage with different people. For example, discussing your enthusiasm for literature. Example: I've been exploring different genres lately. Historical fiction has been a fascinating journey, especially when authors weave real events into captivating narratives. Have you come across any compelling reads lately? Well, together let's continue to embark on a journey of discovery and enjoyment. Don't miss out on what's in store. Stay tuned till the very end, and let's make this experience unforgettable. 6. Stay attuned to your audience. Pay attention to the interests and preferences of the people you're conversing with. Tailor your topics to match their enthusiasm, ensuring that the conversation remains engaging for everyone involved. For instance, adjusting the conversation based on shared interests in movies. Example: considering your love for documentaries. Have you seen the latest nature series narrated by David Attenborough? It's not just visually stunning, but also incredibly informative. 7. Draw from popular culture. Incorporate elements from movies, music, books, or current trends into your conversations. These references can resonate with a wide audience and provide a shared cultural context. Discussing a popular TV show. Example: have you been following the latest season of that mystery series? The plot twists are keeping everyone on the edge of their seats. I love how the writers manage to introduce unexpected elements in each episode. 8. Share personal achievements and goals. When appropriate, share your achievements and aspirations. This not only makes for interesting conversation, but also allows others to get to know you better. Reflecting on a recent accomplishment. Example: I recently completed a challenging project at work that pushed me out of my comfort zone. It reminded me of the importance of continuous learning and how overcoming obstacles contributes to personal growth. 9. Be mindful of nonverbal communication. Communication goes beyond words. Pay attention to your body language, tone, and facial expressions. Being present and maintaining eye contact can enhance the impact of your words, making the conversation more engaging. 10. Stay positive and enthusiastic. Positive energy is contagious. Approach conversations with enthusiasm and share your excitement about the topics at hand. Your enthusiasm can make even routine subjects more interesting. For example, I recently started practicing mindfulness, and the positive impact on my daily life has been remarkable. It's amazing how a few minutes of mindfulness each day can bring a sense of calm and clarity. Conclusion: having something interesting to say is a skill that can be cultivated over time. By staying informed, connecting personal experiences to broader topics, asking thoughtful questions, and being. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more empowering content.